We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County in north central Texas. That's until 6:45. Currently, a severe thunderstorm is located over Hazlet and near Saginaw, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. It could produce half-dollar size hail, and there is a possible radar indicated by that. The damage to vehicles is possible due to the hail, and additional storms within Tarrant County may also produce hail to the size of quarters. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The Chalupa